Today on Pinbusters, we're doing summer color block nails. It's summertime and we thought we'd do something fun with our nails. We got an email from Sarah out in Albuquerque who'd like us to do summer color block nails. So we're gonna try it with 4 different colors and some Scotch tape. So you're gonna take your Scotch tape and you're going to lay it over your nail. Just so that you have like a runway for your color. Like so. And then you're gonna take your different colors. Of course, you know, if you have some prep time, I would just cut the Scotch tape into strips so they're not like this. But we don't have prep time here. Time is money, people. So you're just gonna paint a strip across. And then take your next color and do the same thing. So my nails have dried now, and I'm gonna take off the tape. Slowly. Well, that one leaked on. So, I mean, I'll clean it up obviously, but it looks cool. I just think it's not as easy as it looks online. I'm gonna give it a reluctant pin trusted because I think that it is actually something really fun and something cool you can do if you take the time to actually slowly, lightly paint in, you know, in stripes. And then you also have to make sure that the tape, you know, lies flat on your nail and that there's no area for it to bleed because that's what happened on the second nail there. So, pin trusted-ish. A lot of cool things you could do with it. Well, that's all we have for Pinbusters today. If you guys have pins at home you'd like us to try, email us at bust@pinbusterstv.com or leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. A lot of fun nail stuff this year.